Meta might be making its biggest AI move yet, but this time it's not open for everyone. Their most powerful model, Muse Spark, is now closed and monetized, which could signal a major shift in the AI industry. Meta is moving away from open source models like Llama and shifting towards paid API models like all competitors. The company is spending around $135 billion on AI, putting massive pressure to deliver results. Muse Spark is currently being used inside Meta apps and platforms, focused on features like shopping and visual coding. But this is just the beginning. Meta's goal is personal superintelligence, an AI that helps with most your important tasks. And more advanced versions are already being developed. So guys, we will dig deeper into that. But before we do that, as you guys can see, every day new thing is happening. So please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, check our sponsor, Elodan.com. This is Elodan.com, guys. This is a really interesting website. You can do text to image, image to image, text to video, image to video, and text to voice. So actually you can also chat. You can chat with AI using all the models that you need. Elodan is very smooth, guys. You have to try it out. It has everything you need. You can chat, you can create images, you can create videos. This tool can help you with anything you do in your life. So make sure to head to Elodan.com right now and get the offer. Now back to the video. Alright guys, today we have a video by CNBC. Why Meta's new AI model is such a big deal. It is. We talked about it already. We want to hear what they're going to say about it. So let's check it out.
Meta has launched its long-awaited new AI model called Muse Spark, originally codenamed Avocado. It's already running on the Meta AI app and website, and it's going to be rolling out to Meta's other apps and AI glasses in coming weeks. Here's why this launch is such a big deal for Meta.
It is.
Muse Spark is the first product from Chief AI Officer Alexander Wang's Meta Superintelligence Lab. This is Meta's main R&D arm that it created when it brought over former Scale AI CEO Wang and invested $14 billion in his company.
It's a huge shift. Like Meta AI that we always hear about is no longer the same. Llama, okay. I would say Llama is one of the biggest learning curve for all AI developers. Ask any AI developer. They used Llama. So this is big. If you are in the AI industry and you are maybe a developer, enthusiast, you know about Llama. And this is big news that they're moving away from this whole system and going for another system. Paid APIs.
This rollout comes amid massive competition from the leading AI companies and questions about Meta ramping its capital expenditures to as much as $135 billion this year.
Wow.
That's nearly twice its capex last year. It also follows the disappointment of Meta's prior AI models, such as Llama. Now, Meta says Muse Spark is its most powerful model yet, but instead of launching with a massive, sophisticated model to try to take on ChatGPT and Gemini's frontier models, this is a slower release as Wang rolls out his work. Muse Spark does seem to be initially focused on the best uses for Meta's apps, including a special mode for shopping, surfacing ideas from creators that users already follow. There is also visual coding tools.
Sorry, but this looks like ChatGPT. Like, guys, this is a copy paste from ChatGPT. Look at that. If any of you guys use ChatGPT, this is copy paste from ChatGPT, guys. Look at that. It's the same font, same structure, same images, slides, same even the box there. The only difference is this arrow button is blue. So this is, I would say, a copy-paste from ChatGPT.
Surfacing ideas from creators that users already follow. There is also visual coding tools to enable users to create websites or mini games to play with their friends. Meta does seem to be trying to lower expectations and address potential criticism given its massive spending on AI.
Yep.
Meta saying that this is only the start and we have larger models in development, including a more sophisticated contemplating mode for Muse Spark, which Meta says is competitive with frontier models such as Gemini, DeepThink, and GPT Pro. That'll be rolling out soon.
I would say the only successful thing from Meta outside software, because of course they have Instagram going for them, they have all their software and apps that they're doing, I would say the biggest one is Meta glasses, guys. Meta glasses is everywhere. So I'd say outside software, outside applications, the biggest thing for Meta right now is AI glasses or Meta glasses. Their AI features is not that great, so I would say Meta glasses, augmented reality glasses. So imagine they created actually the AI model. Like Meta created a very good AI model that they can integrate in their Meta glasses. This would be insane. This would be life-changing. I maybe would get it because I'm wearing glasses myself. So I would wear a smart glasses. I would wear smart glasses, especially if it's from Ray-Ban. So it will look nice also. But guys, integrating AI inside hardware is one of the hardest thing and one of the best things you can do. Because if you have AI models, but you can't integrate them, you can't use them into anything, then what's the whole point of it? But this is what I'm pretty sure they're gonna do next. They're gonna integrate this model inside their Meta glasses.
Now, given the scale of Meta's AI investments, Meta needs a variety of ways to make money from AI, which is why, with Muse Spark, it's opening the door to build a potential new AI revenue stream, planning to eventually offer paid access to the model's API. That's similar to what Anthropic's Claude and Google's Gemini do for developers.
Yep.
Now, in contrast to Meta's previous Llama models,
the question is who's going to leave Google and Claude and go for this?
For free for the open source community, Muse Spark will be proprietary to Meta, though Meta does say it hopes to release open source versions of the model in the future. Long term, it's clear that Meta does want to be truly competitive with rival AI frontier models. That's important not just reputationally to ensure that Meta can keep attracting top talent, but that kind of complex technical capability will be essential for Meta to achieve Zuckerberg and Wang's goals of personal superintelligence.
It is.
That's what Meta says is an assistant that can help anyone, anywhere with the things that matter most to them. While the model launching this week isn't blowing past existing benchmarks, Meta says it will serve as the framework for building more capable models on its path to personal superintelligence.
All right. Short one for today, short one, but this is also very urgent, guys. This is just released model. Going away from Llama is a big story. This is a big story. This is so big for Meta that I don't know how the future is going to hold for Meta when it comes to AI. Now, Microsoft is doing big moves in AI. Now, Meta is doing big moves in AI. I would say those two companies were the biggest disappointment when it comes to AI. Of course, Apple, but Apple is not like it's not creating AI models anyway. Maybe it will. Maybe it will. We never know. I don't know why Apple till now didn't create its AI model, but maybe it will. Guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, please check eludan.com. It's going to be here. Check it out. You can create anything using AI. You can chat, you can create images, you can create videos. Anything you can do in life and in your business, you can do using eludan.com. One subscription, everything is included. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.